So here we're going to show you how to measure for your canopy and your soft cab. Go from the top of the fender to the top of your roll bar. So now we're going to measure for your U-bolt to make sure that we get you the correct one for your roll bar. We're going to measure the width. With your instructions, you get a measurement sheet. Make sure you measure to the bottom of the plate. Put a piece of tape where the bottom of your plate is. So now when you go to mount the plate, put it at the very bottom of your tape. You'll have 3 bags. So just hand tighten these to where they're just holding everything on. You don't want it too tight because you'll eventually have to move it. Now, you want to know how wide your roll bar is. So if it is less than 36 inches, it's going to go on the outside. If it is more than 36 inches, it's going to go to the inside. Measurements. You want to make sure that you measure from the top of the fender to the top of the square tube, and then you're going to measure from the top of the floorboard to the top of the square tube. Once you've verified all your measurements, make sure you tighten down everything for your Now we can begin to put on the canopy. So once you have your canopy on top, make sure that you center it front, back, side to side. You can do that by measuring from this side to the edge of your square tube. That's 8 inches. From the back to the back of your roll bar. On here, mark your holes. Using a white pencil makes this easy. It already marked. You need to go ahead and hang your soft cab before you actually mount and tighten this down to your square tubes.